Hey, welcome everybody, Stubbs Collection. I've done a video in a while, so I picked up a few little cheap packs to at least make a video. I pick up some basketball cards, no idea why. Just seeing them, they were cheap and cool, and well, I picked them up. We got 4 scores, and a big boy, big pack. I ain't chasing nobody, just wants my Adam Thielen cards, as you can see. Oh, Adam Thielen. Yeah, let's get started. Nothing special. I'll do the basketball one and see if I can get that fella right there. Yeah, I turned my camera sideways this time because I realized my YouTube videos that I think I had it up straight and the videos were ugly. Yeah, little crumbs everywhere. I'm not even going to try saying these names because I can't see them and I don't know that many basketball players, so that's that guy. Oh, nice. I don't know who he is, but apparently I got a rookie card. Nice little dual auto. 7 out of 25. Talk about getting lucky on the first pack you buy. Well, this guy's pretty cool. Joel, I think it is. Not numbered, but really nice looking card. Smith from the 76ers. Where's this guy? Kyle Lowry. That guy's good. I like him. That one's really nice. Harrison Barnes. Not numbered, but really awesome looking card. Damian Lillard, we know him. Lonzo Ball, don't care about him. And Brooke Lopez. It's very cool. I like this one. One card alone might give me to collect some basketball cards, but really sweet. I like it a lot. It's my big hit for right now. Then obviously that guy. And that guy. Alright, let's do some football. Alright. If I can even open the pack cards. Oop, throw it on the floor. Peppers, Bernard, Matt, Smith, Brock Osweiler, Devin Funches, David Moore. Nice little Aaron Donald. Got about 20 of those though. Landon Collins. Got your rookies right here. Ed Oliver. That guy. And TJ. I got TJ in too many packs. I got like 10 of his cards. We'll do this one. Big boy. Preston Williams on the backside. We got D Ford, AJ Bowie, Todd Davis, Alex Collins, Melvin Ingram, Jesse Bates, Zach Ertz, Evan Ingram, Matt, whatever you are, Smith, Brock Osweiler, Mari Cooper, Traquan Smith, Bobby Wagner, DJ Moore, Pierce Garcon, Devontae Freeman, Brandon Cooks. Ooh. Guess we get a 2-for-1. Red border and regular border. Dalvin Cook. Who we got here? Michael Trubisky. Oh, and false excitement right there. Should have known because I watched videos and realized that every time you got these ones, they flip backwards. Zeke Elliott, DeAndre Hopkins, Aaron Rodgers, Baker Mayfield, Julio Jones. Oh, don't you start flipping on me. Deshaun Watson. Huddle up with Eli Manning and their guys. Quentin Williams, Melvin Gordon, Dak Prescott, Tyler Lockett, Nick Brissett, Travion Williams, Dexter Lawrence. Wow, I'm really throwing these cards around. Dexter Williams, Jalen Smith, and Preston Williams. Ugh. My camera focus. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. If it was, well, halfway through the video and a little too late now. Oh boy. That was fun. Denzel Ward, Andrew Luck, that guy, Evan Ingram, Mike, Marcus, Andrew, Derek Carr, Todd Gurley, Love, Murphy, and who you? Kyle. I don't think I'm gonna get no big hits in this thing, but the basketball card's really cool. I'll take it. They're a cheap basketball card. Little $3 pack, $4 pack, and got a nice little hit. Jared Cook, Tyler Eifert, Kiki. Oh, you don't start flipping on me. That guy, Zach Ertz. Alexander, Todd Gurley, Saquon Barkley, Damian Harris, Godwin, Scott, Holyfield. Last pack. Might stop buying some. These are not that good, but well. Whoever you are, CJ, AJ Green, Richard, Golden Tate, James Conner, Julius Peppers, Johnny Hecker, Phillip Rivers, Von Miller, Murphy, that guy again, football, fail for score, nothing that good. Basketball, saved me. Really nice card. Dual jersey. Rookie threads. He's on the Pistons. I don't know, but that looks like a Laker jersey to me, but definitely sweet. 7 out of 25. And then these two little guys over here. Nice little Harrison Barnes and Joel Embiid. Really cool. So those are my hits. If anyone likes basketball cards, let me know if you want to buy this one or trade. I'll definitely do for Adam Thielen's or anything, but nice little card. So thanks for watching. I'm going to make more videos with better cards. Maybe buy another boom box or something. But for now, I just want to make another video. Seeing it was at Target, so I bought a couple packs. So leave a like, comment, and I'll be back later, guys. Thank you.